Hello viewers. Welcome to IT Texture. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a multi-track video, or how to add multiple audio tracks in one video file. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed our channel, kindly press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to never miss any update. Let's start. Here I have a video file. And an audio file. And I am going to add this audio file as an audio track in this video file. You can see that there is only one audio track in this video. First of all, go to the link given in description, and download the latest and official setup file of MKV Tool Nix GUI. After installing it, go to your Start menu and type MKV Tool Nix, and click on this icon. When the software is opened, drag the video file on it. Here, you can see that the existing audio track is automatically imported. Also drag the second file on the software, select the first option, and press OK. Click on the first track, and give it a track name what you want. Do the same for the second one. And press Start Multiplexing. When the process is completed, you will see that there is a new video file on desktop. I am going to play it. And you can see that in the audio panel, there are two audio tracks in this video. And their names are same as we given them. So this is how you can do this easily for free. If you like the video, press the like button. Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon to never miss any update. You should also share the video to others so they can take benefit of it. Take care, until we meet with the new video.